everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be creating this a New Year's Eve makeup look. It's kind of a night party makeup look. So to know how I created this glam makeup look, please continue watching. So starting off with the primer, I'm taking this Nykaa Prep Me Up face primer and I'm just applying it on the area where I have lots of pores. So I'm just dabbing the primer all over my nose and cheek area. Next, moving on to the foundation, I am taking this two Maybelline Fit Me foundations in shade 128 Warm Nude and 228 Soft Tan. Mixing those two foundations, I'm just using my damp beauty blender and dabbing the foundation all over my face. Next, taking this Miss Claire Full Coverage Makeup Concealer, I'm just applying it on my eyelid just to cover up those pigmentation that's on my eyelid. And using a damp beauty blender, I'm just blending it all well. Next, taking this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, I'm just setting the concealer that I have applied on my eyelid with the help of a damp beauty blender. Now for the eyeshadow, I'm taking this LA Color Sweet 16 color eyeshadow palette and using this shade right here, I'm just applying it above my crease and slowly blending it all well. I'm just starting off with the outer corner and taking it all the way in, blending it all well. Next, taking this a darker brick shade, I'm just applying it on the crease, on the outer corner of my crease, and I'm just blending it all the way in. Always focus first on the outer corner and then blend it, taking it all the way in. Next, using this darker shade right here, I'm just applying it on my eyelid. I'm not swiping it all over my eyelid but just packing the eyeshadow on my eyelid just to avoid fallouts. Next, taking this black eyeshadow from Miss Claire, I'm just applying it on the outer corner. So I thought of applying it just on the outer corner, but then I went on applying it on the inner corners of my eyelid as well, just to deepen it up and to make it look more glam. Next, taking these two concealers, I'm just applying it on my under eye area just to highlight it a little bit more, and also on my T-zone area. And using my damp beauty blender, I'm just blending it all well into my skin. Next, using this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, I'm setting my concealer that I have applied on my under eye and also on my T-zone area. Next, using this darker shade again, I'm just applying it on my lower lash line. It wasn't really necessary, you're gonna see it. Next, I'm taking this black eyeshadow and I'm just applying it on my lower lash line, and I'm just blending it all, like smudging it all well. Next, using this Maybelline New York, the Colossal Kajal, I'm just applying it on my waterline. Next, for my lashes, I'm using this Maybelline New York the Colossal waterproof mascara, and I'm just applying it on my upper lashes. And also on my lower lashes. Next, to contour my face, I'm taking this sugar contour and I'm just applying it just below my cheekbone, and I'm just blending it all well into my hairline. Next, taking this Wet n Wild contour stick, I'm just contouring my nose. Now, using a damp beauty blender, I'm just blending the line well so that there's no harsh line visible. Next, for the blush, I'm taking this Maybelline New York Fit Me blush in shade Coral, and I'm just dabbing it on my cheekbones and slightly on the apples of my cheek. Using a fluffy brush, I'm just blending it all well. Next, using this Nykaa Strobe and Glow liquid highlighter, I'm just applying 3 dots of the liquid highlighter, and then I'm just dabbing it all well into my skin using my finger. And slightly on my temples. Next, using this Maybelline New York the Master Chrome metallic highlighter in shade Molten Gold, I'm just applying it on the tip of my nose, also on my brow bone. And not forgetting to apply it on the inner corners of my eyes. And also on my cupid's bow. Next, taking this Miss Clear Full Coverage Makeup Concealer, taking a little bit, I'm just dabbing it all over my lips. Next, taking this Lakme crayon, I'm just applying it on my lip. If you want to lighten up the pigmentation going on your lips, just apply a little bit of the concealer on your lips so that it cancels out the pigmentation on your lips. Next, I'm taking this Maybelline New York Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick. I'm just applying it all over my lip. But later on, I went on with a brown lip liner and I just lined my lips. And this is it. Please don't forget to hit the like button if you loved watching this video and loved the makeup look I created. Hope this new year 2020 brings you success, love and lots of happiness. Wish you have an amazing year ahead full of fun. This new year spirit smile and love, not hate. Wishing you all a very happy new year, and before you go, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get updates on every time I upload a video. See you in my next video. Bye.